In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export data from Airtable as a CSV file, so you can take your tables and views out of the platform and use them in spreadsheets, databases, or any other tool you need. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Airtable. Log into your account using your credentials, and you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your bases are listed. Find the base that contains the data you want to export and click to open it. Inside the base, you'll see your tables arranged in tabs along the top. Select the specific table or view you want to export. If you've set up multiple views, like a filtered view or a grid view, make sure you're on the right one before moving forward, because Airtable will export exactly what's currently displayed. Once you have the correct view in front of you, look for the View Options menu. This is usually represented by a small downward arrow or 3 dots near the view's name in the toolbar. Click that, and from the drop-down menu, choose the option that says Download CSV. Airtable will then start generating your file, which might take a few seconds depending on how much data you have. When it's ready, your browser will prompt you to save the CSV file to your computer. Pick a folder where you can easily find it, like your desktop or documents. After the file is saved, open it with any spreadsheet application, such as Excel, Google Sheets, or even a basic text editor, to verify that all your data exported correctly. Check that the columns match and that every record you expected is present. If you need to export additional views from the same base, simply go back to the table, switch to the next view, and repeat the process. This is especially useful if you want separate CSV files for filtered subsets of your data. A quick tip: before exporting, review your data to make sure it's current and complete. You can also use a filtered view to only grab specific records, which saves time and keeps your export clean. Finally, always store your exported CSV files securely if they contain sensitive information. You've now successfully exported your data from Airtable as a CSV file, ready for analysis, sharing, or backup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.